Hindi ko alam kung saan maganda mag-smoke dito pag depende eh dito. Parang useless kasi pag nag-smoke ako dito agad eh. Feeling ko na useless lang eh.
No peeking!
Wala na buwasan.
Right here!
Reload.
Drop in a smoke.
Sa link ko ya, link. Papuntang link. Nagbasag ng link ko ya.
Ganda naman tayo.
What? Ako pa nahuluhan nun?
Refreshing.
Swerte naman ng TikTok na.
Spike down B.
Get that
One
lock.
enemy remaining.
Spike's there.
AFK pa talaga.
Reloading.
30 seconds left.
Just
Nice.
let you think about that one, alright?
Road. Okay, waiting sana eh.
Reina, I must say how nice it is to work with you. It is so hard to find partners with your experience.
Gusto mo ba ng ghost? Magbukan ka ata eh. Puro headhunter.
Magbayan na ako ya.
Ah, mobile din ko. Mobile din.
Drop in a smoke.
Nakalimutan ko sabihin ko, wag muna pala smoke.
Ah, sorry, sorry.
To link.
No peeking. Right here.
One enemy remaining.
Right here.
Spike down B.
Right here.
Flawless.
You guys
Ano
are
na
so
ba?
much better than my last.
Simple and clean. Well done.
Simple and clean. Tama naman yung sinabi ng rason ng pro bakit daw magbabay ng second round pag nanalo ng pistol.
Ano kaya?
Kung bakit daw bumibili sa second round kapag nanalo ng pistol. Kasi yun daw yung highest na chance na manalo kayo sa buong game. Compare sa kailangan
Wow!
Drop in a smoke.
Wow, grabe yung bridge kanina pa yun ah.
No peeking.
Tapos na-tap niya rin yung ano, yung Cypher.
My camera is destroyed.
I have gun.
Enemy spotted. See.
Kaso nakuha na yun.
Right here.
Spotted B.
Punta ulit sa C.
Satchel out. Satchel out.
Spike planted. Last player standing.
May sasabi kuya. Nice try.
Taga naman nun.
Paint? Check.
Pop nga ako kuya.
Check. Could have a
Right.
job. Nowhere in
Yun daw yung nag-off sa Reyna. Yun daw yung highest chance na mananalo kayo sa buong game. Kapag naka 2 rounds kayo kaagad. Kaya maganda by second round. Sabi ni Perfect. Ganun daw yun kung mag-by second round.
Kasi, tsaka para ma-anti-eco rin kuya.
No peeking. Drop in a smoke.
Spike down A.
My trap.
Ang mali ako dun.
One enemy remaining.
Give me a call.
Spike down A.
Was that their best? How embarrassing. My ult is ready.
Nagulat din ako dun.
Time to pick this time.
Saktong-sakto yung komo dun. Ginagawa na itong
Nakapot ako dun. Impossible.
unang kan, di ba? First blood tapos kan, di ba? Tatlo sa side.
Hindi kuya. Ang na first blood yung ano eh. Yung kampiyon natin.
Ay, race na.
Yung, yung race. Grabe yung breach din tumutok.
Get out of my way.
Huwag mo muna smoke kuya.
Spike down.
55 jet.
I never left.
One enemy remaining.
On. Play together.
Inside.
Get my off. Up.
Secrets.
Ano naman yun? Kung hindi pa nila alam kung saan yung out.
Tried to stay serious here, but
Sayang na may off na yun.
so much.
They are so dead.
Nag-whip ako dun sa kan? Sa jet. Pinatay ko na lang muna sa ano yun. Nilipat ko kasi yung crosshair ko kagad sa Omen. Yung panalo tayo dun, karapilin sa talo tayo. Dahil kan, hindi na ko yung baril.
They don't have a chance.
Para tayong walang baril.
It's you and me.
Oh, nag-whiff pa ako. Malas naman.
Enemy spotted A.
Spike down A.
No peeking.
Close na yung jet sa inyo.
Goodbye.
Wala yun. Nandun, sarable din yung big shot.
Reloading.
Drop in a smoke.
May barrel dyan kayo nakuha mo na.
Scatter.
Spike planted.
Planted dito.
Babalik ko lang ko ng ano.
One enemy remaining. Last player standing.
Sorry, dito. Hindi ko lang parang nalobot yung mouse pad mo. Full charge naman ito.
Clutch.
Sayang. Nabawasan ko lang siya. hindi sumasakto yung bala ko sa nanggagaling.
Bridget is playing hard to get.
Pinikan ko
Alright,
yung bridge
I'll
kasi
get a
nandun
job.
na eh. Free kill eh, dito. Hindi ko lang nalaman kung saan yung pwesto ng Omen kasi kahit
Thanks.
sa... Andito pala siya. Sinuod naman kasi nung Cypher. Gusto niya kagad di ko ano. K1D1 na...
Who will I spot first?
Ano yun eh? 4v2?
Oh, for dito eh.
Here comes the party.
Nabos na nila. Shit.
No peeking.
Ganda ng jiggle nun.
One enemy remaining.
Someone's at attack us.
Spike down. Attacker spawn.
Nangyay akong baril.
Squash the last bug.
Ito kuya.
Hindi ako.
Abot pa?
Gear up. Stay safe.
1 second.
Going back in.
May pandra pa ako kuya. Abot pa naman ako.
4-9 naman ako. Pero
Eh.
sheriff pa rin kasi ngawak ko eh. Okay.
Sa bagay.
So bye. Makakabili pa rin naman mamaya.
Pwede kuya eh. Para maka...
Lock them out.
Refreshing. Drop in a smoke. My territory. My rule. I have them now. No peeking.
Cross tayo kuya, cross.
What I?
Pardon, monsieur.
One enemy remaining.
Nag-greedy ako. Nawantap-wantap ko kasi yung dalawa eh.
May idea kayo?
Andiyan din siya kanina eh. Sa corn. Nagkanin kasi siya. Yung sensor.
Kala ko kasi kuya dumiretso siya dun sa B.
I surrounded by minha família. We won't lose.
Oo.
Could I have a drop?
Sabi ko na.
Thank you.
Mag-A na ulit yung ngayon. Wala akong nakuha dun isa kanina.
Let's start this party.
CS na yung Reyna. Ito magaling.
No peeking.
Bobo, nakatingin ako sa mapa. Shit.
Drop in a smoke.
Kala ko wala na dun. Lagi na ako nadadali ng ganun ah.
Spike down A.
Nice.
Spike spotted A.
Oh,
One enemy remaining.
Rabble ata. Eh, sa 3.
Feeling ko dito.
Saan yun? Baka sabi kasama nung ISO kanina. Kasi kanina na ISO binapatay nung ano. Ayun, sabi nga. Sa galing yung kanina dun.
Trust me,
Pop nga
they
ako
will
yan.
make mistakes. When they do,
May pambili ka ba?
take advantage.
Ah, okay, meron.
Could I have a drop?
Ay,
Anyone need something? Focus now. Eyes off me.
Grabe naman.
Get out of my way.
what? Ano yun? Hindi tumama yun?
No peeking.
Kalokohan. Ay, nice.
Nice mo.
Enemy in attack.
Dami dito banda.
Bomb barrier.
Smokan ko muna yung game.
No peeking.
Camera taken out.
Ikot na ako. Nasa B naman yung race eh.
Jet's ground.
Andito pa yung isa.
Drop in
May
a
isa pa
smoke.
dito eh.
One enemy remaining. 30
City.
seconds left.
They found my wire.
Team Ace.
I'm the last thing they'll see before they die.
Hindi pa sa akin na
Lucky them.
120 lang.
Ano, KS.
Nakapagbaril pa sila. Sniper.
Triple op. Grabe yan.
Drop in a smoke.
Nagugulit
No
tayo.
peeking.
Reloading. One down.
Eh, meron sabit.
Destroyed.
1v1b. May isa sabit.
2A, 2A.
Kanta na ata sabit.
Sabi yata po. Tig 40 lang, nabawas ka dito dalawa. Planting set.
Nalikuran
Spike
ako
planted.
naman. Siguro to. Hindi, may pera pa.
Last player standing.
Na-timingan ako nung ISO na yun. Nakatalikod ako.
Let's go.
Thrifty.
Tayo na thrifty tayo.
Last
My
round
ult is
before the
ready.
switch.
Could I have a drop?
Nothing will be saved.
Thanks.
Hindi ah. Ako na nabigyan.
Could I have a drop? Thank you.
Espada pa ako kaya bandal.
Doon din pala.
Does anyone have fun?
Ganun din pala.
Oh shite,
Need
I
a
lost
drop.
my pet rock.
Need a drop.
Bobo? Hindi ko napindot yung clip.
My territory, my rules!
Ano yun?
No peeking.
May ulti naman yung Omeg.
My ult is. They are so dead.
Drop in a smoke.
Sumakang pala na sa close.
Teka yan.
30 seconds left.
Can't use that.
Player standing.
Like I never left!
Last player standing. Spike planted.
Hindi ko alam yung ginagawa. Mali ata ako dun. Dapat di ako nag-pick.
Hindi pa yung napili ko, may haro.
Switching sides.
The symphony of death.
Mali ako nang ginawa.
Wait, you get used to it.
103 lang tayo. Shit.
Patay dapat sa akin yung bridge dun yun.
Hindi ako makapagintay. I-finish din kasi nung... Sino ba yun?
Wala rin pala. Ay, manalo. Nagkamali ako dun sa bridge. Pareho kami naka-off. Pero lamang ako sa timing. Ang una ko napindot yung 8. Imbes na
Agad na ako.
hindi ko na-click.
Grenade! Drop in a smoke.
Enemy C. There.
No peeking!
Multiple enemy.
Si Kuya. Tara, si tayo.
Tatlo sabi yan.
Zone is A.
What? Dito matama
Last
yung...
player standing.
May isa dyan.
Target
Naka
down.
ano yan, naka-sheriff.
Advocate.
30 seconds left.
140, 120. Kung totoo yan, di dalawang body lang sila. Ay, ay.
Mali ako ng bata.
Sasabihin ko nga sana sa'yo, kuya, dalawang jam ang gagaling kasi umikot sila pagaling si. So,
Kala
hindi
ko
ko na
malalagay. Siguro na. Dito ka lang.
Ah,
You know, I could just outlive them.
tama, tumama sa Q ko.
Nah, bullets are quicker.
There.
Eh, malam mo, full armor yung yun.
Get on with it. Grenade! Drop in a smoke. Reload. Enemy spotted A.
Reloading.
Nasa stair.
Baka meron dyan galing sa siya.
Here.
There.
No peeking. Satchel out. Satchel out. Gun here.
Hindi pa nababasa
Right
breakable,
here.
no?
Spike planted.
Here.
Bawas yan. Low, men.
Right here. Here.
One enemy remaining. Flawless.
Refreshing.
Nice.
Nakita tayo dito.
No one left to send a
Sipag ba yung mga
message?
yan?
Grenade.
Oh well.
None of my stuff has malfunctioned yet. Can we celebrate that?
Hindi tumatama head hand ko.
Ang ganda rin ng... Ang ganda rin talaga yung corona namin na carry.
Reloading.
Karunaan. Pero ang ganda rin kasi talaga.
Talaga nga kumasa. Kumakakuha ako.
Jets
Ay,
grounded.
bawas.
Drop in a smoke.
Adios. My ult's ready.
I found my wire.
Spike planted.
Reload.
Enemy A.
Tinamaan yun sa stairs. Ano yun?
That's a kill.
One enemy remaining.
Refreshing. Gone here.
This won't be killed.
Na. Pwede ba
Grabe yung kills natin
Anyone
na
have any
pare-pareho
spades?
halos.
I may have jabbed my fingers.
Oo.
Multiple fingers.
Contribute lahat.
Ayun yan, akin na lang.
Marshall. Ayaw ko yan. Mamatila ako yan. Pwede na ata akong mag-buy ng mga
Alright,
Pwede na
muckers.
yan, kuya.
Off we go.
Sige, kaya ko.
Pinandal ka.
I've retrieved the spike.
Spike down. C.
Gun here.
Ang-trade mo kagad.
Current division.
Wala, makapagit mo.
Drop in a smoke.
Yun ang mga ruta.
A gift.
I found my wire.
Enemy spotted. I've planted the spike.
Ano naman yun? Ang madaling tumingin. Marit. Isang healing.
Jets grounded.
0-0.
Last player standing.
Oh, di ko napatay. 120. Kaya.
Nag-whip si Rain. Nakakuhan siya.
My ult is ready.
Your hearts are pounding.
Kung gusto ko mag-attack off,
There.
saan ba tayo? B. Pangit yan mo.
Ninja tayo lagi.
Wala para silang pera eh. Dalaw lang natira sa kanila, dalaw lang may bundle.
Pwede
Huh?
yan. Outlaw.
Bonne chance, mes
Can I
amis.
get a drop? Dropping that.
It's you and me.
My territory! My group! I have them now! Back like I
What?
never lay!
40.
One enemy remaining.
One more, Rena. One more.
Last player standing.
Ingot naman nun.
Anong ginagawa niya?
Sinabi ng
Tapat
one.
niya.
Hindi ko yung ginagawa niya ba?
They're going to scatter from my stuff. Super easy to pick off.
Sinabi ng one more eh.
Wala sana. Ay, Gendy.
Can I get a drop?
Na 2v4 ata tayo dun.
To be for. Yun ako dun sa bush. Losable ka.
Oo nga.
No peeking! See nothing.
Yung bridge andito madalas eh, sa stairs.
Reloading.
Reloading. Reloading. Reloading.
Here. Enemy A.
Buksan ko yung door. ah.
No peeking! Battle out.
A.
Mapo na naman.
Last player standing.
Kunyari.
Hindi nila naman avoid.
Buried.
Thirty seconds left.
May isa dyan sa drop. Naka, ano sila, crossfire.
Listen up, you muckers. If I don't get back up, just give me a nudge. I might not be dead, just take a wee time.
Ganun.
Can I get a drop? There.
May ulti pa yung bridge.
Grenade!
Reloading.
Enemy spotted C.
Reloading.
Ikaw, mag-abang ka ng ano. Dami na yun, feeling ko. Open door. Ano nag-open ng door?
Here.
There.
Enemy B. Reloading.
Drop in a smoke.
Reloading.
Madali naman yun.
Drop in a smoke.
Cutting their vision.
My eyes are down.
Sick.
30 seconds left.
Spike
One
planted.
enemy remaining.
Right here.
Stealing sight. They're just batteries. And I need a recharge.
I need this. My thanks.
Parang namatch ang laban na to ah. Lahat nagkuhan eh. Yung mga kill.
Let's make them dance.
Kaya,
No peeking. Grenade!
My camera is destroyed.
Drop in a smoke.
There.
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 Spike planted. No peeking.
Too slow. My ult is ready.
Woo! Refreshing.
uy!
One
ano
enemy
doon?
remaining.
Sa bandang waterfall, kuya.
Have one of these.
Okay, they're dead.
Take what's useful. Reloading.
Yan, nandiyan lang. Yan ang
Match
ganun siya.
point.
I saw their desperation. Let's use that.
hintay kong bumuo yung armor ko ulit na extra eh. Bago
Can I
ito.
get a drop?
Kaya nakaharap na ko kahit.
No prisoners.
Get out of my way! Drop in a smoke. Sakito! Party! No peeking!
It's you and me.
Off your feet!
Saan nakuha?
Pathetic. My ultimate will come.
My ear down.
Spike down B. Last player standing.
That's a good spot.
Scatter.
Eh, meron pala doon? Tayo naman.
One bullet per enemy. That should be enough, yes?
Kala ko malayo. Kala ko nasa pa yun eh.
Kaya nga.
Siya tinabang lang.
Get a drop?
Kasi nasa harapan mo lang din si Kwan.
Can I get a drop?
Kahit na tayo.
Nakulo ko naman yun.
There. Roll for initiative. Grenade! Bomb buddy out.
Embarrassing.
Punta na ako.
Gosy, gosy. Yung berin libre. Pwede na dito yung side.
No peeking! Fire planted!
Ciao.
Nasa shotgun.
Drop in a smoke.
Dalawang Kwan. Dalawang water Kwan.
Enemy
One enemy
How about
remaining.
these?
Attackers win.
I heckin' love this team!
Tambol, para panalo.
Ano ba?